Hello everyone. Don't let you wait long. Let's start the lesson about number block and addition. 19.
I want blood.
6.
I want equal.
25. 15.
I want blood.
9.
I want equal.
24. 7.
I want blood.
19.
I want equal.
26. 12.
I want blood.
17.
I want equal.
29. 19.
I want blood.
8.
I want equal.
27. 1.
I want blood.
10.
I want equal.
11. 2.
I want blood.
3.
I want equal.
5. 16.
I want blood.
8.
I want equal.
24. 3.
I want blood.
2.
I want equal.
5. 9.
I want blood.
9.
I want equal.
18. 17.
I want blood.
16.
I want equal.
33. 11.
I want blood.
17.
I want equal.
28. 12.
I want blood.
19.
I want equal.
31. 16.
I want blood.
17.
I want equal.
33. 3.
I want blood.
13.
I want equal.
16. 9.
I want blood.
5.
I want equal.
14. 1.
I want blood.
14.
I want equal.
15. 12.
I want blood.
8.
I want equal.
20. Today class made me feel quite tired, partly due to the influence of the hot weather, but it's okay. Let's continue to finish this lesson. 10.
I want blood.
1.
I want equal.
11. 12.
I want blood.
18.
I want equal.
30. 20.
I want blood.
12.
I want equal.
32 9
21 plus
16
21 equal
25 15
21 plus
9
21 equal
24 2
21 plus
11
21 equal
13 1
21 plus
4
21 equal
5 14
21 plus
10
21 equal
24 11
21 plus
5
21 equal
16 1
21 plus
2
21 equal
3 5
21 plus
19
21 equal
24 13
21 plus
2
21 equal
15 18
21 plus
3
21 equal
21 2
21 plus
2
21 equal
4 13
21 plus
12
21 equal
25 19
21 plus
4
21 equal
23 11
21 plus
6
21 equal
17 We did an excellent job. Let's congratulate us. Goodbye.